Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best trim restorer on Amazon. Your vehicle's trim is prone to premature discoloration due to UV rays, harsh cleaning detergents, grime, and oxidation. It's possible to restore the faded trim on your car with a restorer. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Car Guys Plastic Restorer. The Car Guys Plastic Restorer not only works on plastics, but also works to rejuvenate faded rubber and vinyl. It's an eco-friendly product that contains no harmful chemicals and can be used on both interior and exterior surfaces. It contains UV inhibitors that repel UV rays to protect the applied surface from fading or drying. Applying it will be fairly easy since it's non-greasy and comes with an ergonomic applicator bottle. It dries after only a few minutes and leaves a long-lasting coat that repels water and can survive a heavy rainfall. It will leave the surface looking as good as new for several months. The main issue we take with this product is that it doesn't protect the surface from dust and may in fact attract more dust and lint. Also, it isn't going to make scratched surfaces look any better and may be a hit or a miss with older vehicles. Number 2. Megear's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Megear offers a liquid wax that goes on easily with only a towel or a pad. You only have to spray it on and gently buff the surface. When fully cured, it creates a lustrous black finish and a protective seal against UV rays. This keeps the surface from fading and conditions it to prevent cracks. The product is designed to work on all exterior plastic surfaces, including rubber and vinyl trim. It will also come in handy for removing cloudiness and reducing the appearance of scratches on your vehicle's trim. However, the product emits strong fumes and should only be applied in a well-ventilated area. You should also wear gloves, since prolonged skin contact can cause irritation. In addition, it's not quite long-lasting, and you may need to reapply it after only a month. Number 3. Chemical Guys Sprayable Dressing. Chemical Guys Sprayable Dressing comes in a 16-ounce bottle with a spray applicator for easy and fast application. It's a water-based formula that dries a few seconds after you apply it on plastic, rubber, vinyl, and even on tires. The product is suitable for vehicle interiors and exteriors. It leaves a durable, silky shine and restores the original OEM look of your car trim. It's also dry to the touch and won't attract dust. This non-greasy trim restorer is formulated with sun blockers that penetrate deep into the trim to prevent harmful UV rays from cracking or discoloring it. Its creamy texture is easy to apply and can last for weeks of driving through rough terrain and rainy weather. The product is also safe for engine components and can be used on bicycles, motorcycles, passenger cars, trucks, and SUVs. The product leaves a nice new car look on your trim until it gets wet or it rains. Number 4. Surrogate Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. If you are looking for a non-messy way of restoring the color of your vehicle's trim, then we recommend the Surrogate Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Instead of messy spray or squirt gels, you get a pair of gloves and 10 packages of pre-moistened wipes. You will only need to wipe the trim with the wipes, and the ceramic coat will bond to the plastic to restore the luster and original color of the trim. Since it's a ceramic product, it forms a long-lasting coat that can last for 2 years or about 200 washes. What's more, the ceramic coat forms a protective layer against UV rays, dirt, and dust, which are the usual culprits that cause the trim to fade. While it may be a durable product, it seems to work better on textured surfaces than on smooth surfaces. It leaves streak marks and spots when applied on a smooth surface, such as the plastic on the side mirror. Number 5. Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer. The Trinova Trim Restorer is a fade preventive formula that restores the original dark color of your trim. It darkens, shines, and prevents further aging of worn-out plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces. It also forms a protective coating against dirt, salt, and water. In case the trim gets rained on or you travel through dusty terrain, all you have to do is to wipe off the dirt layer on the coat to reveal the dark and lustrous trim. What you will appreciate about this product is that it won't leave behind oil streaks after a car wash or rain shower. It will also prevent the trim from cracking under intense sunlight. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.